Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on decimals to fractions. The work we have done so far with decimals will give us the necessary knowledge to change simple decimals to fractions. We just need to remember that for simple decimals, we can usually convert to a fraction that has a power of 10 in the denominator. Also, in some cases, we may be able to simplify a fraction after we have done the conversion. So let's look at some examples. Change each of the following decimals to a fraction. The first decimal is 0.3. Let's look at the solution. 0.3 can be written as 0.3 over 1. And the reason we've done that, it just looks like a fraction. So that's the start of our journey. Okay, we start off by putting it over 1 because it actually makes it look like a fraction. Now, we multiply top and bottom by 10. Now, top and bottom means numerator and denominator. It's a little bit easier to write top and bottom. So 0.3 times 10 over 1 times 10. So all we've done, we've taken 0.3 over 1 and we've multiplied the top and bottom by 10. Because we've multiplied top and bottom by 10, the value does not change. It's exactly the same value because we've multiplied by the same number in the numerator as the denominator. 0.3 times 10 gives us 3. 1 times 10 gives us 10. So the answer is 3 over 10. In other words, 0.3 is 3 over 10. For the decimal of 0.23, that is 0.23 over 1. Multiply top and bottom by 100. The reason we multiply by 100 is we need to move the decimal point 2 places to the right. The reason we multiply by 10 here, we only have to move the decimal point 1 place to the right. That's why you multiplied by 10. So multiply top and bottom by 100. That gives us 0.23 times 100 over 1 times 100, which is 23 over 100. So 0.23 is 23 over 100. 0.653 is the same as 0.653 over 1. Multiply top and bottom by 1,000. The reason we do that, that helps us move the decimal point 3 places to the right. So 0.653 times 1,000 over 1 times 1,000 gives us 653 over 1,000. And there's our fraction. So 0.653 is 653 over 1,000. 0.6 is 0.6 over 1. Multiply top and bottom by 10. So 0.6 times 10 over 1 times 10 gives us 6 over 10. That can be simplified to 3 over 5. We simplified by dividing numerator and denominator by 2. 6 divided by 2 gives us 3. 10 divided by 2 gives us 5. So 0.6 is the same as 3 over 5, and that's the simplest form. 0.45 equals 0.45 over 1. Multiply top and bottom by 100. 0.45 times 100 over 1 times 100 gives us 45 over 100, which is 9 over 20. We simplified by dividing numerator and denominator by 5. This is easier to do if you know your times tables. 45 divided by 5 gives us 9. 100 divided by 5 gives us 20. So 0.45 is 9 over 20. So this video, this simple video, has given us some basic steps, and we have seen how to convert simple decimals to fractions.